So you have the iPhone 16e and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know the phone is still on. Maybe you get vibrations, maybe you can hear it ringing, or when you plug it in, you can hear the charging chime. Anyway, your phone is just on, it's just the screen will not come on, all right? I'm gonna give you two easy solutions to get you up and running, okay? So note that this one here is actually fixed, but we're gonna pretend we have a black screen here, okay? So what we wanna do is perform a forced restart, okay? So we're gonna do it together. And how you do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap or press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that power button and continue to hold until we see the Apple logo, okay? So we're gonna do it together. Pretend my screen here is black, okay? Ready? Go. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button, continue to hold. Pretend my phone here is still black. I'm still holding on to the power button. Just keep holding, still holding. Okay, the phone just turned off, I'm still holding. Now it's gonna boot back up and now you can see the Apple logo. Now go ahead and let go and wait for it to boot up normally, and hopefully your screen is in working order. And hopefully your phone screen is up and running, okay? If not, we're gonna go to the next possible solution. So if that first way didn't work, then the second way is this, okay? We're gonna do the forced restart again, except this time we're gonna do it while it is plugged in with a charge, okay? So go ahead and give your iPhone 16e some battery juice. Doesn't matter if it's from a computer, laptop, or like a wall outlet, okay? So now it's plugged in here, and let's just pretend my screen here is black, okay? And while it's charging, we're gonna do the same thing. Ready? Go. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that power button, and do not let go until we see an Apple logo. So I'm still holding onto the power button. Pretend the screen here is black. Okay, still holding. Now the Apple logo appears. Now I let go of the power button, and I wait for it to boot up normally. Now here's the thing. If it didn't work for you on the second try, then what I would recommend is try both steps 2 times, 3 times, try 4, 5, sometimes 6, sometimes the 7th time is a charm. Anyway, hopefully that helped you guys out.